Welcome to Touring Globe, the ultimate guide to stress-free traveling with kids. 1. Traveling with kids doesn't have to be stressful. Traveling with kids can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right planning, mindset, and a few smart strategies, family trips can become some of your most joyful and memorable experiences. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make traveling with kids smoother, calmer, and far more fun. Whether you're planning a short road trip or a long international vacation, these tips will help you stay organized, flexible, and stress-free. 2. Planning ahead, the secret to a smooth trip. The foundation of stress-free travel starts long before you leave home. Choose destinations that are family-friendly, with easy transportation, safe environments, and plenty of activities for kids. Look for accommodations that offer family rooms, kitchenettes, or child-friendly amenities. Build a realistic itinerary that allows downtime and avoids packing too many activities into one day. Overplanning can be just as stressful as underplanning, so aim for balance. 3. Getting kids involved in the planning process. Letting kids take part in planning builds excitement and cooperation. Show them pictures and videos of the destination, ask what activities interest them, and let them help choose a few attractions. Create a simple countdown calendar so they can track the days until departure. When kids feel involved, they are more likely to stay positive and patient during the journey. 4. Packing smart, what you really need. Packing wisely reduces stress more than anything else. Make a checklist for each child that includes clothing, toiletries, medications, and comfort items. Bring a few extra outfits in case of spills or accidents. Pack snacks, refillable water bottles, wipes, and hand sanitizer. Keep essential items like passports, tickets, and chargers in one easy-to-reach pouch. Packing light but smart is the goal. 5. Carry-on survival kit for kids. Your carry-on bag is your lifeline during travel. Include snacks, a reusable water bottle, a small blanket or hoodie, wet wipes, tissues, hand sanitizer, and any medications. Add entertainment like books, coloring supplies, stickers, a tablet with downloaded shows, and headphones. A change of clothes and a plastic bag for dirty laundry can be lifesavers during delays or spills. 6. Timing your travel for maximum comfort. Choose travel times that align with your child's routine whenever possible. Early morning flights often mean fewer delays and calmer airports. Traveling during nap times can help younger kids sleep through part of the journey. For road trips, plan frequent breaks for stretching, bathroom visits, and snacks. Avoid rushing, leaving extra time helps everyone stay calm. 7. Airport tips for stress-free flying. Arrive early to avoid the stress of long security lines. Use family or priority lanes when available. Keep documents and boarding passes easily accessible. Let kids walk around the terminal to burn off energy before boarding. Board early if you need extra time to settle in, or board last if your airline allows it and your kids have trouble sitting still. 8. Keeping kids entertained during travel. Boredom is one of the biggest stress triggers for kids. Rotate activities every 20 to 30 minutes to keep things fresh. Use a mix of digital and non-digital entertainment like audiobooks, puzzles, games, and storytelling. Surprise toys or snacks can be powerful distractions. Encourage kids to keep a travel journal or draw pictures of what they see along the way. 9. Managing meals and snacks on the go. Hungry kids equal stressed parents. Pack healthy snacks like fruit, granola bars, crackers, and nuts. Bring treats for special moments or tough travel segments. Try to stick to normal meal times as much as possible. Research kid-friendly restaurants at your destination and keep a few backup food options in case plans change. 10. Handling meltdowns and tough moments. Even the best planned trips can have tough moments. Stay calm and patient when meltdowns happen. Acknowledge your child's feelings and offer comfort. Take short breaks when needed. Remember that kids get tired, overwhelmed, and overstimulated more easily than adults. Flexibility and empathy go a long way. 11. Choosing family-friendly accommodations. Look for hotels, apartments, or resorts that cater to families. Features like pools, play areas, breakfast included, and laundry facilities make a big difference. Having a separate sleeping area for kids can help everyone get better rest. Read reviews from other families to find places that truly understand travelers with children. 12. Creating a daily routine while traveling. Keeping a loose routine helps kids feel secure in new environments. Try to maintain consistent bedtimes, meal times, and quiet time. Plan one major activity per day and leave the rest of the time flexible. Downtime is just as important as sightseeing, especially for younger children. 13. Exploring at a kid-friendly pace. Slow down and let kids enjoy the journey. Stop for playgrounds, ice cream shops, and interesting sights along the way. Let kids take photos, collect souvenirs, or choose a daily highlight. When kids feel heard and valued, they become more cooperative and enthusiastic travelers. 14. Staying healthy and safe on the road. Carry a basic first aid kit with bandages, pain relievers, motion sickness medicine, and any prescriptions. Use sunscreen and hats for outdoor activities. Make sure kids stay hydrated. Teach them simple safety rules, such as staying close and knowing your contact information. 15. Budgeting tips for family travel. Traveling with kids doesn't have to be expensive. Look for family discounts, free attractions, and combo tickets. Choose accommodations with kitchens to save on meals. Travel during off-peak seasons for lower prices and fewer crowds. Set a daily budget and track expenses to avoid surprises. 16. Turning travel into a learning experience. Use travel as a chance to teach kids about different cultures, foods, languages, and traditions. Visit museums, historical sites, and local markets. Encourage kids to ask questions and try new experiences. Learning through travel builds curiosity and confidence. 17. Making memories, not perfection. Not every moment will be perfect, and that's okay. Focus on creating meaningful experiences rather than sticking rigidly to plans. Laugh at small mishaps and celebrate little wins. Some of the best memories come from unexpected moments. 18. Post-trip reflection and family bonding. After your trip, talk about favorite moments and lessons learned. Create a photo album or scrapbook together. Let kids share stories with friends and relatives. Reflecting on the journey helps everyone appreciate the experience and builds excitement for future trips. 19. Final thoughts. Your stress-free family adventure awaits. Traveling with kids is a journey filled with challenges, laughter, and unforgettable moments. With thoughtful planning, flexibility, and a positive mindset, you can transform potential stress into joyful memories. Use these tips to travel smarter, stay calmer, and truly enjoy every moment with your family. Your next adventure doesn't have to be perfect, just meaningful. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.